Hey, if you're a handyman, a homeowner that can fix stuff, or an investor, and you're looking for a fixer-upper right off of Woodside Road in Redwood City, this is your jam. "900 square feet, featuring 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and hey, there's laundry. How many condos have laundry? This one does. This isn't just a normal kitchen, it's an adventure in home improvement. If you're looking for something you can sprinkle your own touch on, this is your chance. This condo features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and an inside laundry area, and it's 900 square feet. One bathroom, 2 bathrooms. Quiet space outside. Walk-in closet. Another walk-in closet. And this carpet, well, you can play guess the stain. Coffee, perhaps? If you're looking for a condo that you can make your own and sprinkle your own touch on, give me a call.